Today we are going to have a debate on Rajya Sabha. Speaker will be there and some politicians will be there. Some are from opposition side. These are from opposition side and these are from ruling party. So ruling party have to initiate the debate. Okay, so they have to tell us or they have to mention some of the works done by them. Opposition party have to cross question them. Is that clear to all of you? Firstly, we will introduce ourselves. Okay, so start.
My name is Abhishek.
Good morning everyone, I am Ayush Rana. I am from the ruling party.
Good morning everyone, my name is Tamanna. I am from opposite party.
Good morning everyone. My name is Samad Gurmai and I am from opposition party.
Our party has done so much work since last year. They have spent 2.5 crore rupees for highway project.
Please tell me highway name.
You can see Agra Expressway.
Agra Express.
Yes.
This highway is very bad condition. Road is very bad. No done all work.
Now you can check the Delhi highway from Dehradun to Delhi way, which is under construction.
But you
spending a
explain.
lot of money. Spending a lot of money on it. Like you said, that you are making highways and all. You are spending a lot of crores rupees on highways.
Is it, do you think that your party is spending a lot of money and it's actually going in public favor? But what we have seen and what public is saying is this, that your money, whatever you are spending on public, isn't going towards them. Is it benefiting them?
Yes, it is beneficial.
No,
But
I
you
don't
can
think
see
so.
the roads.
Because if you see Delhi,
Yes.
we have seen a highways, right?
Yes.
Okay, you say that you have spent a lot of money, we agree with it. But what kind of highways they are? You see that there are traffic jam for 2 to 3 hours. Is this your highways?
No, I am telling about the highways, the main expressways and all.
But the roads, if you see, if we are comparing our country with the other countries, so obviously the roads of our country is so bumpy. You know, you can't even drive more than 100 kilometers per hour on that highways because the roads are so bumpy. It somehow when I am driving my vehicle over that highway, so I feel like there might be a disbalance of my vehicle and I can go and hit any other cars or dividers.
Now you can check now in this
I
time.
have checked that.
Yes.
The reason I am saying
The same distance you can cover in less time.
distance is being covered in less time is okay, but if you tell me this one thing that you are spending a lot of crore rupees on the highways and all, but the road condition is so pathetic that it's so bumpy. You know, if you drive the vehicle over 100 kilometers per hour, it's making me scary. That should I drive my vehicle more than 100 or not? No, you said that the distance will be short. So for a short distance, obviously I have to drive my vehicle fast. Driving 60 kilometers per hour and reaching 100 kilometers per hour.
Our party made many schools like you can watch in Delhi.
No one is going to cross question me.
Please explain me facility in school.
We provide projector facilities.
So basically, if you see there are so many states in our country, and you just focus on Delhi. So what about the rest of the states? You haven't done anything for there. There are hospitals, there are schools, there are other facilities. Like if I talk about my Uttarakhand, so in our remote areas, there are no schools, no hospitals. So what they have done here?
No facility.
Ayush
You
and
can check Dun hospital now because this roads are not.
If you see the Dun hospital is basically Dehradun city. What about the remote areas? I'm talking
There
about the remote areas.
Dun hospital is condition is very bad.
No, now you can check it.
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
checking. You say hospital is very good, but Dun hospital is very bad condition. The staff is sitting AC, but patient is sitting outside or no AC is off.
You can check AIMS hospital in Rishikesh and you can check
You
Joligrant.
tell me only Dun hospital. You AIMS.
You can go to the new building.
Yeah,
Our government has.
yeah, I am both new building in
Yes.
nearest Tehsil Chowk.
Okay, you can see we provide Ayushman facilities and
Ayushman facility, you tell me Ayushman facility is very bad.
no many
But
people
it's
are
very-
helped in COVID.
It
very
helps in
useful for
COVID, but
your
after
needs.
COVID,
No,
in fact, I have
it is useful in private hospitals also.
no,
You can
no
go-
private
No,
hospital is
if you are
accepting the
going for
Ayushman
an
card.
operation, it will be
No,
helpful.
it's
It's
no
the same,
private hospital is
government, your
accepting the
government
Ayushman card.
fail for मतलब false statement Ayushman.
Okay, any other
And can you just tell me something about the school's development? You said that you have developed a school in Delhi, but what about Uttarakhand and rest of the states? The education system is zero.
And you can see Kendriya Vidyalaya schools in every city.
RTE in every school.
I have seen KV Kendra Vidyalaya in every
You
school.
can see in
I
all
have
over
seen
India
that.
there are so much.
There are so many KV
Yes.
schools, right? Okay, I
But
accept
other
your
school,
point.
but other school only KV.
You can see
Government schools.
government school.
Government school facility is very bad condition.
No, now it is
Student no
improved.
Now
sitting.
we are improving that.
Yes, now they are improving.
You might have seen the price of petrols, right? It just crossed 100. So what are you doing? Are you just sleeping, or what kind of things you have done to the nation?
What can we do if countries, if Russia provide us petrol in very high price, what can we do? We can only subsidize some amount, but what can we do?
But we heard the news that Russia is providing India the crude oil in less amount of money. We heard that. So where it comes that you are actually getting the high price?
Last time you increased your government is the GST. My government is very low price and your
So our
government is
government
very
is
high.
providing facility also. You can see 10 years before what your government has provided us.
Please tell me provided. I am not satisfied your facilities.
No, you tell what your government has provided us earlier.
If we actually look, if we are going to do this, that what your government has done, what we are
We are improving. Every person
But in
improves.
what kind of improvement is there? I don't think so. That public is actually, they are getting frustrated by your decisions and all. It's like you are the dictator of the country. It's something like you are not listening to the public. What public is demanding, or you are just going straight away. Like whatever you feel like to do, you are just putting it on the public's burden. It's like a burden over the public.
Tell me your government is very provide facility, but facility is not there.
You can see in transportation, our government has provided that
Transportation, my government transportation is very,
Yes.
fare is very high.
No, you can see we have provided electric bus. The charge of that bus is very low.
No, I don't think so. The
No,
charge
you
is-
can-
It's 30 rupees. What now? Some of my colleagues are traveling from their electric bus, so it's somehow
We
very
have
costly.
facility also. We have given facility. It is here, AC bus.
So that if you have provided that facility, so that facility is very, it's very low in number. If you
You
compare,
tell me about you say me, you provide facilities, charge is very high.
No, we have. So we are giving facility according to that.
and what about the job opportunities? You promised the people of our country that you youngsters in fact that you are going to provide the jobs,
Please tell
but
me
there is
your
no job.
government is saying,
From past so many years, like from the day you have come the power, we are just listening from you guys that you are going to give the job opportunities, There is no job opportunities from that day. Till now.
We are conducting exams and
I don't think so there is any exams
and
conducted.
your government is fail in every field. Conducting exam yesterday, today I saw newspaper is conduct exam is very
we are establishing many industries which can provide employment facilities to.
Where in Gujarat? In Gujarat, I think your main target is to develop Gujarat.
What you have done women safety?
We have provided a helpline number for women's safety, and we have
Your
provided.
helpline is where every time is engaged.
No, you can utilize it.
And
Yeah,
what about
last
the
night
men's safety?
Last
Like
night
for
I
women's, you have provided the helpline number, applications are there. But what about the men's safety? Aren't the men aren't they the part of this nation? Don't they have any rights? Because many a times we heard that there are fake, what to say, the girls have blamed the boy that, and at last it was like it was fake. Girls use that. Many a girls are there.
Yeah,
using
We are
the victim
providing
cards.
facility, and they are using.
But we haven't heard about the men's safety.
You can see that our government has provided women helpline number.
your helpline number is every time is engaged.
And what about the men's helpline number? Aren't the men's part
Are
of
you
this
unsafe?
nation? Yes, I am unsafe. I
How?
feel unsafe like whenever I am in the
No, I
public.
don't think so.
Whenever I am in the public, I feel like that somehow many girls, I won't say that
Fake-
every girl is like
fake
safe,
claims.
but many girls are still there in our society who can use this victim card, because obviously you have given them so many rights, like every time the girl will be right, every time boys will be wrong. So this kind of victim card they can play with me. So I feel unsafe.
What can we do? It's not our fault. It's the girl fault. They are misusing their rights.
So you are in the
So
power.
your
So what are
government
you there for?
is strong, and your government provide helpline number. Helpline numbers every time engaged. I am calling.
No, you
yesterday,
can
last
text a
night,
message
I-
and you can send to the. that
No,
helpline
no
number.
reply
Are
message
your officers
and
actually talking to their family members, or they are actually problem or they are actually solving the
Actually, it is
problem?
the
helpline number. So it is
No,
not
no,
for their
it's-
personal use.
your government
We provide
provide-
callback
I agree your
facilities.
government
If you
provide,
if
but
our number
your-
is engaged, our call our employee call back you and invite you.
no call back me, and he's I am tried many times, but he's no receiving my call, and last night I am
You can try now.
because I am I am
You can see that our government is availing people for environment, seva environment. We have banned polythene.
But I guess black marketing is going on.
People should also support the government.
So it's you that who has to convey this message.
We have to ban. We have banned the
You have-
plastic. Yes, we have
Yes.
banned the Now it plastic. is the work of people also People are- to support the government. If you are going to purchase, that's your fault.
So it's like if I go to market and I have to purchase something, and shopkeeper is giving me plastic.
No, we have
government
we have
mandate.
made some rules. We will do challenge for them. Who
But
are
we haven't
selling.
seen, because many
No,
times I
we
have
can
seen
see.
that the shopkeepers are giving the bribe to the policeman.
It's not our fault. Shopkeeper buy plastic because it is very cheap. So it is your duty. You have to carry your own bags. Actually, this polythene is non-biodegradable. So it takes time.
So you
Yes.
you tell me your government is buying plastic,
Yes. Our government has banned
but why?
those materials. We can recycle it. We are promoting paper bags,
Because
jute
recy-
bags, other
You
products.
see, recycling is in plastic in many gas polluted air.
We are not talking about-
If we see that not just plastic, polythene and all, they are not they are also polluting our environment. But what about the vehicles which we have seen that they are they are actually giving so much of pollutions. Like you have said that government will be launching BS6 and all these kind of
Yes,
vehicles.
you
will be
can
there.
see that.
But still, I have seen that there are many. In fact, the government's own vehicles are there polluting a lot. So what about that?
Yes, you can see that diesel engine is banned. Yes. Now
Oh,
it is
yeah.
not coming in BS6. Our government has made rule that diesel engine will be banned in India. You can see that our government is promoting for CNG gas for vehicles so that pollution should reduce.
But what kind of awareness is there? Because we have seen that many
Yeah,
vehicles
see-
are coming, but they all are coming in petrol or diesel way. But no.
It will take a little time.
Time, because your government is very long time in sitting.
What did you do when you were in Puri?
We actually implemented so many kind of
So,
solar panels. We
in that
actually-
time, there were mostly vehicles in diesel engine, and diesel makes lot of pollution.
There were, but we were actually doing. We were planning to do.
You planned, but we did it.